And the third was we absolutely lock the whole cell by putting the $sign before and after. So just to remind you, I'm sending you a cell referencing. So we will do this in the upcoming examples as well. Currently,
Okay.
I'm sending you just for reminders screenshot from the web. Let me do this. Give me, yes, this one. Okay, now come to the sum functions. We have done that one, rounding and subtotals. Can you come to the third tab, please? Okay, now these are the four functions that you can use to round the numbers. So one is round, and you can use this one. Please put in the cell that is next to D, F, E column. Can you come to the column F, and it will be F3, cell F3. Cell F3, put formula there in F3, cell F3. Below one. This is F2. Yes, this is F3 is equals to round. Use any row, any column, use E column. You can use E3 here. Okay. Just enter it.
Oh, just one cell.
No, one value. Yes, enter. So it is just rounding it. Okay. You can use the round up formula in the next G column. This will also round it. The round is rounding to the nearest. Okay. The round up will round it to the up. Okay. And it will also give you the 10. Okay. You can use this one. Yes. And round down. Next column in H column. Put a column between H and I. Just click on column I and right click, add insert a column before. Okay. Now here you use the MROUND function.
What is MROUND?
MROUND of E3, and here you also give the multiple. Give it the multiple of 5, comma 5. Or 8. 8 you can say put the, because it is.
Yeah, it's gonna show you every multiples of 5. So it'll give you 5, 10,
Yes,
15, 20,
you can
21.
change it to 3 or 4 as you can. So these are the basically functions that we use whenever there is data such like where we need to round up. Okay, so these will come in the examples as well. Are you good with these? I think these are the
Yeah.
same. You can drag these ones below, so this will be working on each of row. Okay, as you see, it is rounding. This is rounding up. This is rounding down. So as you see, and this is will be in the multiple of 5. 7.3 is rounded around the 5, multiple of 5. Okay, so this is the basically difference between these three. You can write these round up, round down, and round in the top columns, just to remember. Copy these four and copy paste special transpose as a transpose. You can do that as well. Copy these four, paste special, transpose. Okay. Okay.
Instead of copy, I should have done cut, Control X, right?
Yes, you have copied it.
Well, I wanted to cut it.
Control plus arrow up. You can go to the end of the sheet or beginning of the sheet, or control home. I think you go control up. Yes, you come to it. And I think control home is also used for coming to the first
Oh,
cell of the sheet.
I don't see where's home on my keyboard. I don't think I have a home button.
You don't have.
I
Usually it
have.
is on the
Oh,
right
I do. I
corner of.
do. Oh, yes,
Yes.
left arrow.
If you are at end of the sheet, control home, you will come to the first cell.
Yeah.
Press control home.
Yeah, I did. It's the left arrow.
Okay.
Just brings it
Okay.
to all the way to the
Now
left.
it's good. And let's move to the formatting. Can you please save this file for your future?
Just saved it.
Have you saved it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now move to the formatting. Formatting tab, the next tab. So here I told you earlier in the first class that we use the formatting here to format the numbers as well. So the first is, if you go to the Danish, go to the category where it is Adnan Danish, and you check that what is the format of it. You will see that it is format saved as journal. Right click it, or you can also go to the format from the above tab.
Okay.
No, it's A4. A4. We will be formatting the column A, the values in column A. Yes, according to the format given in the column B. So this is Adnan Danish is currently. You can go to the format, or you can also right click it. And where is the format? Format cell. Yes.
What is this?
So you see,
What is this right here?
this is just for reference that
Oh,
this
this is the
this
picture
kind
you
of
put
variable.
here?
Yes, I
Oh,
put
okay.
there. You can. This will come when you use the Microsoft Excel. Currently, you are using uh, LibreOffice.
Yeah.
That's it. It is a bit different. So you see, Adnan Danish, it is saved as journal. Format is journal.
Yeah.
Okay. Press OK. It is okay. No problem. Change the value in the cell A5, that is 34,000, and change it to the number by right clicking it, format it. Okay, now it is journal. You can pick it from the left category.
It's already in number format. General number format.
Okay, then press it. Okay. Go to the next. Now it is currency. Yes, you can change it to any currency. So at the right side, you see now the dollar sign it with it. Similarly, counting is In Excel it comes, and here I think it is not. So you will go with the currency as well.
What does accounting exactly mean? Like
Counting
it's
is
just 2 digits dot decimal 2 digits.
yes, accounting. It is also with the financial terms where it is also saved as the dollar and something like that. So if you see when you click on the dollar sign, it will give you the option of multiple symbols as well. That you can save it to the PKR in Pakistani rupees and like those. If you see in the currency, you I think don't have in this option this kind of option, but in Excel you have that option that you can change the dollar sign as well. Uh,
Why is the dollar sign all the way on this side right now? All of a sudden,
which option you have choose?
this one.
So these are different formats. Choose another format USD. It will come with the that it is written as the USD. Choose another where it is USD. Yes. No, it will. These are different formats.
Mhm.
Just showing. If you want, there is somewhere convention is that the dollar sign comes before then it is.
Mm.
Next is important. That is A8, and it is the date format. Date every date is stored as a number. So this is a kind of number, but if we change it to a date, then you see it will come as a date. So this is very important when we enter data in Excel or somewhere else. These are different formats. You can choose any one of that one. Okay, this is actually a 12th July of 2012. You can also enter by the short key that is control colon.
Control what?
Control colon.
Control what? I couldn't hear you.
Colon.
Colon.
Yes. Press control colon in the EA8 cell. You have put it in the 8 and 9. Okay, it will work here as well. It will give you a timestamp here. Go
Seven
to
twenty-five
A9.
24.
This is giving you the current today's date. If you want
Oh,
to enter somewhere date, you can use this shortcut as well. You can write it in the C7 column as well. Control plus column.
interesting. Wow. I never saw this one before.
Okay, format it. How you write these? This is the format you usually write date, or you can use it with the 12th of July, JUL. That format also work.
Right.
Control home. So next is time. You can change it to as well the time. Format it every time. Yes, this is.
Oh.
Okay, next
Why
is
did it make it
percentage.
12 p.m. instead of 1:37 like you had it?
Press control.
Oh,
If you give you the current timestamp, then it will give you the current. This is actually point 0.5. That is of kind of format that is equivalent to
oh, like
12
half
p.m.
of the clock, half of the day.
Yes. If you
Got it.
put the control semicolon, then it will give the current time stamp. Sorry, control colon. Control colon, press here. You see, it's again giving the 12 p.m.
Control colon or semicolon?
Control colon. Okay, it is giving the time. It is giving you the date, but for time, I think that there is something else. That is not for the date. It is only for date. Control shift. Yes, it is control shift semicolon to give you the current timestamp. Got it?
Yeah. Excuse me. Yes.
Now please change the other. Go to the percentage, change it to the percentage, format it to percentage. Okay, fraction. Now change this to a scientific. It is actually scientific notation, exponential notation.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Now next is the it check the next one A for 13. It, change it to the text. You can make row into this number into text. So if you see, it is now resembling with the non Danish. That is a kind of text. So it is also stored as text. So it is very important when we use the formulas. Then it should be written in. It should be the data should be stored in numbers. So if it is not in numbers, then we will be having problem with the calculations. If it is stored in text. Okay, now A14, you can customize this one as well. It is a mobile number. So here in Pakistan, we use 0314 dash and then the number is. So you can customize this as well. I think that option is not with you. If you see on the right side, when it is in Excel, then the custom is available. Okay, you can you customize this as well. And you are putting this by yourself, but we can change it to by using the custom format as well. Similarly, kind of ID card number when there are dashes in between. So you have a data where every employee or everyone has the card numbers. So what you do, you only change the format, and those numbers will come with the dashes. So it is not yet you put the dashes in everywhere in the every data. If it is million rows and million customers, you can say you just customize those that column to see it like as that it is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the next tab, page special.
Which tab? Oh, right.
Paste special. Special. So if you see now you can copy this all, control all. No, for only use the first three A, B, C, and the first table only. You can select these from A1 to C9. Now select these first three rows. No.
Is there any
Not.
button? Is there any way that I can double click or something to select the entire table instead of having to
Yes,
use?
we will do this in the next after the next tab, the table format. We will
Okay.
do this one.
Okay.
Control C,
Yeah.
and go to the G1. Yes. Control Shift Paste Special. Go to the Paste Special. There is also a shortcut. Yes. Control Shift V. Now here you have options that you only want to paste special what numbers, values only, values and format. So if you click on the values, these values will come. Or if you click on the values and format, the same format will be copied. So you can try with the values.
I can try with what?
Values only. Okay, it is selected preset. Okay, you see there are no, these are not formatted as such with the previous one, but the whole thing is pasted here. So there are different ways. You can also paste special the format, and you can also paste special the what formulas as well. If you see, this is a screenshot where these are the options in Excel, and similarly, some actions were shown in your when you were paste specialing it. Okay, now come to the low table. Select this table and paste special it
What does
in the
space
subsequent.
special exactly mean? I don't understand that what what it is.
Okay,
What
when
is
you
what is space special?
copy something,
Yeah.
okay, then the paste special option will give you multiple options.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can use this option. You by using this option, you can only copy the values as you have done it in currently you have done that one. You have
Mm-hmm.
only pasted the values. If you
Mm-hmm.
want to paste the values plus the formatting that has been the in the previous table, you can do that one. Similarly, there are other options. You can only copy the comments. Okay, you can
Mm-hmm.
also pay special the validations. If there are validations somewhere, validations are incorporated in the first table, and you want to copy that as well in the second table, you can do that one. And there are also other options that you can multiply, subtract, and these similarly transpose is another option which you have used in the first. You have used changed it to the transpose. We will do this in the task as well. Okay, we will use this prepare special task in the task as well.
So
You
paste
have used this one.
special.
Yes. Okay. Now
Yeah.
just pay special the low table and use the format copy format as get the table that is green and the black. This is month and franchise. Just copy this table and go to A36. Control copy A36 below. Place there. Yes, A36. Control Shift V. You will get these options. Okay, now you select the formatting as well. The second option, preset values and format. Okay, now you see the table is pasted with the those colors and those formatting as well. Okay, in the
Yeah.
previous we only use the paste. So, here we have used the paste special with the formatting and all the other things coming along. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now please move to the name manager, the next tab. Okay. Now this is a very important that you can select any range and you can give that to a number name. Okay. You can give it name and you can calculate with the example with the by calling that name in the. So if you go up, go to A1, you see. So there is the salary. If you select the cell from C3 to C8. C3 to C8. Yes, select these cells. Okay, and now go to the format from the above tabs and give it a name. Or you can give it a name by clicking in the where there is a tab in the below of Calibri C3 to C8. You can click there and give it a name. Yes, it is. No, just double click there and you can write that this is the salary. Just click. Okay, just double click here. Yes, in this. Change it to salary, SALARY. Enter. Okay. Now, if
Wait,
you
hold on.
want to sum salaries, you can do this one by going to cell E3. Go to E3. E3. Cell E3. Yes, write equals to sum.
Wait, hold on. What did we just do with this here right here? I don't understand. What changed? Nothing changed. It still says the same thing.
Okay, that is this range. This range means that these columns, these cells from C3 to C8, we have
Oh,
changed
are now being
the
called
name
salary.
salary. Yes. Now we can call it with the name the salary. So equal sum. Yes. Enter. You see, you can call this range with that name that you have just given it.
Mm, nice.
Okay. And there is another option. Go to the below table. You can auto click and you can give the names by their headers as well, by their headers or by the row. So we want to give the values in the B16 to B to H16, B16 to H16, which is the first row. January, it is January values. Okay, for 482 to 808. Just we want to give that name with the January. Okay, so how we can do this? You can just select this one. No, don't do this by. We have another option that is auto selecting. Okay, you select the values from 482 to sorry, January to 501,
Hold on 1 second. 1 second.
27.
Page 27. Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, now go to the options of format from above tabs format, and you have that it is where it is, or go to data. Give me a minute, please. Where it is? It actually the option is the name manager. Where is name manager? Go to the data, please. Data tab. No, data tab from the above. Data tab. It is above next to yes here. Okay, let me check in Excel, please.
Yeah.
Where it is. No, formulas in the formulas tab. In the formulas tab, it is. Go to the formulas tab. Where is the formula tab? Do you have in the formula? No, it is not in this one. But I think just right click here. Maybe there is option. Right click and then right click on the selection where you have selected everything. Yes, right click here. Okay, now you have format cells, merge, clone. Oh, where is the name manager? It should come as well. No, no. This is LIB or LibreOffice. Let me check, please. Where is the Libre name manager? Just select the area and choose the sheet name, ranges and expression. Create this, open the create name. Choose the sheet name, ranges and expression. Okay, go to just check from the above. Maybe there is something that name ranges, because here you have many options, but press format cells. No, this is not. So actually, let me show my screen.
Sure.
Now see what is actually, this is here in the formula tab that we create name from selection. So left column, if we click the left column, press OK, then now this left column will be given for each row. So I just want to show that equals to now I want to sum January. As you see, it is coming from
Mm-hmm.
equal to sum and is February. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
this is how we can do it. So it is coming from February. Now it is not draggable. You have to give, if I think maybe this is the way. Yes. No. So you can call anywhere. Similarly, as there are franchises in the above, you can get select this one and go to the create and manager from the top. Now we will use the top row. Okay, top row as will be there the range names. Okay, now we can call for, if someone says that please give me the whole sales of that franchise, that is CKH007. So I can just click here and sum and CFK at 007. You see?
Okay, so to create that, I think I can do that in the LibreOffice. I can try it.
Yes, there must be an option there as well.
So
You
let me
check it.
try.
Okay, and along with this, the last thing that is very important, that is the table format. It is I have not shown you before, but let me tell you this one, and then we will be going to do our task that are the that is assignment, a kind of assignment with the. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is also very important, and it will answer your question that you were asking how to select the whole table. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show this. So now if you select all, this is currently a range. What is the range? Range is from if you say it is from H1 A1 to, and what will be the end? It is end is what you can say J475. So it is actually from A1 to J475. So this is currently where our data is residing now. This is a table, and this is a kind of HR data where we have the gender, employee ID, and educational level, manager. This is data, some kind of HR data. So now we can change this whole range into a table. So how we can do that? We can do that by okay. Shortcut for that one is the Control Shift L. No, sorry, Control Shift L is to enter the what you can say to Control Shift L. Let me write this one: Control CT or L, Control plus Shift plus L. This is to make apply filters. Apply filters. Okay, and when you select all and Control L, then this option appears, and it says that you want to, where is the data from your table? My tables has the header. If you check this one, if you don't check this one, it will give an a row above, and it will say, it will automatically give you a row that will be the header's name. Headers mean that this whole column, what this column belongs to. You have the idea of fields. Have you idea of fields?
Not really, no.
Not right. So if we have the data, the structured data is structured data. Structured data is that every thing is the data is structured in a way that we can call it with a name. So this is actually where this whole row contains the genders. So, okay, and it is from male or female. Similarly, okay, and we call it with the that. So this is actually what we write in the top row, and it is our headers, and these are also called the fields. And these fields are very important when we do analysis or something in our in the coming things, when we use the pivot tables, or when we import it into Power BI, okay, and into anything. If you use the Looker Studio, then these fields are very important. So every data is structured in a way that it is called by a header name. So that is why this whole when we change this whole range to the table, it asks for that your header, your data has the headers or not. So I told him that it has not header, so it automatically give me that header. So if we have not this one, then we will going to be that this is employee ID. Okay, if our data were not having the headers, so okay, it is gender. We are now giving it the specific name. Okay,
So if we
gender, and
choose the option of my table has headers, it is going to do
yeah.
what?
Okay, now I will do that. If because our table has the headers, then we will click this one. The first row will it will automatically take these as headers, and this will be our fields as well. When we use the pivot table, or when we call somewhere, it will act like these ones. So these are the actually headers. Okay. So let me do that one in that way. Okay,
Right
in
now,
this
right
one
now,
I
right,
am
right now, we chose the one that said my table does not have headers. So then it allowed us
does
to
not have
manually
it.
put in the headers, right?
Exactly. And I have deleted that header row as well. So because we have don't have headers, and it was taking that header row with the data. So in the second, let me go to the, okay, now this is the data, okay, and now I select all uh, control
Control A, right?
control A, and sorry, control. So this is CTR CTRL plus L. So this is the shortcut to create. So I have selected this range, okay, and control L. This will appear, and I have selected the my table header. I press OK. Okay, you
Mhm.
see now these are the headers, and this data is whole converted to a table. And sign of that one is that at the end of the table you have this kind of, you can drag it to right and left. So it is automatically taking everything in it. Now we have this here, and if you click on it, another option is here that we can, if we go to the tables and we want the row totals row at the end, we can click here. So if you see, total row is also incorporated here, and it is giving you that the 474 records are there. As you can see from here, there are employee IDs that are 474. So you can similarly, if you want to change it to range, convert it to range, you can click. Do you want to convert table to a normal range? You can click yes. Sorry, control all, and why it is not changing? Okay, it is converted to a range. As you can see,
What
there
is
is
range
no
again?
here. The only formatting is there. That formatting come from with the range, but now it is not a table. How you can identify that it is not table? If you enter some data here, I'm deleting this one. Control minus. I'm entering some data here. It will not automatically take to that table. So let me show the other way. When we have the table, okay, now
Mhm.
I am converting this, uh, removing this row table. Okay, now if I enter some data here, it will automatically generate a row below, and this will also come along. Okay, now this is also part of that one. And the best thing about this table is that we know we can, it is automatically that we, the concept we were using in the name manager, it come along with this one. How? If you select this all, okay, you see this is this table name is 2, but I can change it to HR data. Okay, HR underscore data. So you can no, it is why it is not changing. HR underscore. I think with the table name we will be calling. Okay, let's try. If you want to sum the beginning salaries, okay, equals to sum, and you say table two, and here you call it the front beginning salary. Okay, bracket close and this one. So you can call it by name by the table. So this is the table and this is his field, or you can say it is the column. So you can
Mm-hmm.
sum by getting those names. Though it is a structured way of doing the calculations. Okay, and we can also apply. So this is the best practice, that you store the data in a structured way and you convert it to a table. Okay, with
Mm-hmm.
when we playing with the ranges, it is not great. Okay, this is very great concept. We will do this in the example. If you are okay with, I think you go to sleep now after this.
Uh, I would like to, but I don't know. I have a couple of more meetings, but we'll see.
Oh, oh. Okay. If you have time, we have this. We will perform on this two or three, four tables. These are kind of examples of when you make the summaries for GP, for this one, for sales, for tax. So these are the instructions. Just follow the instructions and you will be doing this assignment. So this is
Let's pick that
actually
up tomorrow.
okay. We will do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we
Okay,
mainly.
just check this. You can convert. What can I say? Just comfortable and change that range to a table. So this will be done. This change this to a table.
Just this one, right?
Yes, the last table format. No, last table format. Yes, this all data. No, select it from A1 to. You are getting everything that we don't want. We don't only want from A1 to J.
I thought Control A
Because
usually
this,
selects just the. It's weird.
so
Damn
there is another way. Just get no. Go to A1 and Control Shift. Press Control Shift and right arrow. Control Shift right arrow. Control Shift below arrow. Oh, yes, now it is great. Now it converted to range, and for that one, Control L. Control L.
Okay, show me where to
Control
find
L.
it here.
Go to data. I think it will change. It will convert into data. No, no, pivot table not. We want to make it a table. Define range. No, convert it to a table. Tools. Insert. Go to insert. Maybe there is insert. Yes. Shape text column now. And let me check. Have you find that one? Let me check from the net. Where is where is sorry. Sheets, go to the style sheet somewhere. Style sheets, maybe. Yes, sheets. Here you have insert table. Go to data. I think we have checked that one. More filters, select range. Okay, define range. What is this one? No, define database range. This is not, I think. Do you have all the options here? I think in the net.
Hmm?
Okay, just click Control L. That works or not? Control L.
Nope.
No?
No.
Strange why it is not. Just right click if you have that the table view or not. Right click, control, select first. No, by control shift right arrow and left arrow, you can select all that one if you have more data. Go to home,
Shift home
the
or control
A1
shift home?
control home.
It doesn't take me all the way to the top when I press control home.
Yes, this control shift right arrow, control shift. And you have inserted something. Have you checked everything from the above?
Hmm?
Like, have you checked the from the tab the icons that are above? I don't see any that is resembling this one. That was create a table. No, this is not. Again, I think you have to. No, no, this is not. I think data. Escape this one. This is just a control shift L. That is, I think it is the filtering everything. Go to the end. It is not getting. No, this is not converted to a table. Read something else. It go to the data.